Hello, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Ammar, and today we happen to have a very special car. It is actually my first Lexus car in this YouTube channel. It is the 2019 ES 350 F Sport. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna be talking about this car, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Hit the like and subscribe, and let's just start the video. So guys, like I said earlier, this is the ES 500 and it is the F Sport package, so expect it to be more sporty, more aggressive. The first thing you look at this thing, you notice that it has a very nice headlights. These headlights are really impressive. Just look at that. This is the Lexus signature day running lights with this 3 high beam and low beam headlights. It looks very aggressive. If you look more down, you notice you have sensors and a little bit of venting in here. Unfortunately, this is a fake vent, but it makes the car looks better. You see that it has a really big blacked out grille, more aggressive grille with the big Lexus sign in the middle. It looks nice. I love the headlights. The front end in general just looks very, very nice with the front sensors also. I love how huge this face is. Look, the grille is so big, you guys. And if we move in to the side, let me talk about more about this. It says Lexus over here. The headlights are really, really impressive. See, this is an F Sport badge, and you have a 19-inch wheels. These wheels look really nice, very fantastic. F Sport, like I said, and you have chrome in the mirrors. Also lights in the mirror as well. This has chrome, all this chrome design that makes it look even better. It's loaded. This car is basically loaded with text, a lot of features, safety features, everything. That has the F package, you guys. 19-inch in the back as well. And in the back, it looks really nice too, you guys. Look at this. The back design is also great. Chrome line in here, LED tail lights as well. 3 lines. The 3 big lines from here, and they narrow it down up to here. That's really nice and cool. Big Lexus chrome badge, backup camera, F Sport badging, and look at this design, you guys. And right there in the middle, that's an aggressive design. And also you have fake exhausts on both sides, parking sensors in the back also. In the space, you guys have a decent amount of space with this rubbery mat Lexus logo, and it comes with this netting if you want to put a lot of stuff. And underneath this rubber mat, you guys, you have the original mat carpet, which looks really nice. And underneath that, you have your tire equipment. If you just lift it up, yes sir, there they are. And honestly, the space here is really big. You got a huge space in here also. That is very nice, and you close it up like that. So this car has a 3.5 V6 engine that produces up to 302 horsepower, and it has an 8-speed automatic transmission. Look at this thing. It looks really nice, very clean. I like even a cool design in the engine. You have this silver color and this black color in the middle. Looks really nice. I hope you guys are ready to go to the inside because this car is loaded with a lot of stuff. Let's start from the back. And entering the back, as you guys can see, it has a leather and red color interior that looks very nice, and it just feels really, really amazing. It feels luxury in this car, and the space is massive. I do have a lot of legroom, a lot of headroom, and of course 3 people can fit here, no problem. It is wide, it is long, and it looks nice. And these seats are unbelievably soft. They're so comfortable. This car is really fantastic, especially for the long drives, long trips. It will do the job fantastically. And here is all red halfway. You have a black color, and you have an airplane pocket. Red leather on the doors. Also, you have this silver design in here that looks really nice. It has a Mark Levinson sound system with this cool design. I want you guys to look at this design. It looks super cool. And of course, everything here is stitched with red to match the seats It's really nice. It's fantastic. You have air conditioning in the back, air conditioning vents in the back. You cannot control them from the back. Unfortunately, you gotta ask the driver. And a 12V charger in the back and 2 USB chargers. And let's not forget the cup holders. You have cup holders in the back with red cup holders in the back. That looks super nice, and this thing is super soft. It is really comfortable in the back, and I love how the seats are all red. They have this black design in here that looks very fantastic. So in the back it just looks great. Why don't we move on to the front? And of course it has a keyless entry. In the front is where the magic happens. Look at that. You have a ring in the middle, gauge cluster. Same thing to the door, leather doors, red and black colors, silver design. You have your silver design here as well. You have a memory seats, you guys. Memories, not only seats, but memory seats and mirrors. This is fantastic. This is all mirror and window buttons. And right here is the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks very sporty. It looks so cool. Let me show you something, you guys. I want to turn the car on while you guys can't see that. Get ready. You guys ready? This is a pretty cool animation when you start this car. This is so fantastic. So when we talk about steering wheel, yes, it has the F Sport badge right here to remind you that you are sitting in the F Sport. Not only that, I forgot to show you something. The seats also have the F Sport badging as well. They are very soft. You have a heated sport steering wheel, shifting paddles as well. You have a Lexus badge and a couple of buttons right here for cruise control, keep lane assist, and right here is the menu controls. So guys, look at this gauge cluster right here. I want you to focus on it. It looks really nice, right? But well, if you press here and this button, watch what happened. The ring will actually move to the left. I mean, we'll move to the right to show you more information. This is crazy. That is so cool, you guys. You have your driving modes here. You have sport, normal, and eco, like that. I want you guys to focus here. So all you got to do basically is this. Just twist it. It will appear as sport. If you twist it back, eco. And for normal drive, you have to press it like this, so it will appear a normal drive. But let's put it into sport right here. And the other hand right here, you have your traction off or on. You have your infotainment system. The infotainment system is really nice. It has an F Sport clock as well. Infotainment system is not a touch. You have this little pad right here to control your infotainment. We're gonna go back home. There's a couple button, home menu, and go back. And right here is a little pad to touch where you want to go. It has a Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Moving on to the side, you have this air vent, really cool silver design, goes all over the car. The dashboard of this car is crazy, you guys. It's fantastic. It looks really great. You have all of this is climate control, and underneath this is for the heated and ventilated seats, front and back. So this is super luxurious. And if you open like that, it have 2 USB chargers with the aux input, and of course an extra cup holder. This is a cup holder as well, but I just put the key right here because why not. And a little bit of storage in here as well. This is really nice. Of course, glove box. This car is really nice. You guys have no idea how comfortable I am inside of this car. This is so nice. And for the price is $42,000 if you ask me. This is a used car. It has only 16,519 miles on it only. It is a pre-owned, and we have it here at Volkswagen Boardwalk. If you come in here ask for my name, ask for Ammar. I'm gonna be able to help you. I just got this job and I'm gonna be able to assist you and help you get this car. But yes, we do have it here at Volkswagen Boardwalk. Come and ask for me and I'm gonna be able to help you. Let's explain more. You have an automatic mirror dimmer, and the fuel efficiency of this car is also nice. 21 city, 31 highways. It has also heated mirrors, memory reserve tilt, active noise control, so you guys, so it's so quiet. It's gonna keep your ride as quiet as possible. And let's not forget, it has a moonroof. You can open it and close it from here, which really nice. And I think it is time to drive this thing, because as good as this car looks, it's even better when it drives. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive this thing for you guys. First, we're gonna start with eco mode and show you guys how easy it is to actually just drive this thing. It's super sunny today. I'm sorry if I chose the wrong time. This thing, like I said, it is super fantastic. It's super light, it's super nice. It feels sporty, you guys. The steering wheel feels nice. It just feels really, really great. And also the visibility of this car is really nice. You can absolutely see where you're going. As you guys can see, it is super smooth to drive, right? You're about to enter. Turning ratio is absolutely great as well. And let's try to put it to sport mode. Whoa, this thing is definitely nice. It's absolutely great. It's fast. Oh yes, it is fast. It is fast, you guys. This thing is absolutely fast. And the sound that this thing makes is absolutely amazing. Remember, it has this active noise control, so it's trying to keep your ride as quiet as possible. It's definitely super fun to drive. This thing is really amazing. The steering wheel is nice, the car is comfortable, the ride is super comfortable, and it's fun when you need it. And when you are in sport mode, you can decide to shift it whenever you want, but you gotta put it to manual shift. This thing is so cool. I love the sound of this naturally aspirated V6. There are no turbos, nothing. It's just a really good V6 that sounds really amazing. Naturally aspirated, you guys. And when you wanted to make it more fun, all you gotta do is turn your traction off and it's so fun. It is so fun to drive, you guys. It's super comfortable when you need it, but it's also sporty and aggressive when you need it. That is a very nice car to drive. It is a luxurious super sedan that you can have a lot of fun with it. I'm not saying that it's super fast, but the power is absolutely there when you need it, and it just keeps going, it keeps building up. That is really interesting. Manual shift, downshift. I freaking love it. This thing is so fantastic, so safe, and the steering wheel is just so direct. It's a bit aggressive, but that's how a sport car should be. I love the acceleration of this car. The handling, the turning, everything is so awesome. This car handles really beautifully. It has all the text, all the features that you need. The ring just keep moving left and right for more infos, and the shifting pedals are right there where you need them. You have, like I said, front sensors, back sensors, lose your traction and go burnout, have fun. This car is literally everything you need. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Hit the like and subscribe down below for more videos like these, and I would see you guys in the next one. Absolutely. And see you guys later.